welcome to Nirmal's Code Tech. And now we are in the coding part of this problem, integral points inside triangle. If you have not watched the logic part of this problem, please go and watch it. It will be easy for you to understand the coding part of this problem. Okay. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to declare a variable I, A, and B. I is nothing but integral lattice point, A is nothing but area, and B is nothing but boundary points of the triangle. Okay. First of all, let me write the formula of A equal to I plus B by 2 minus 1. Okay. First of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find out the area of polygon. Find the find find the find the area of polygon. Let me give it as triangle. Okay. Now triangle A is equal to area. A is equal to actually this area is for the particular polygon formula. Okay. When you are going to find out the area for triangle, you need to use this formula. Okay. So forgot this formula and I'm going to write the integral formula I equal to A minus B by 2 plus 1. Okay. So just you keep it like this. Finding the find the integral points. Okay, we are for finding the integral points, we are going to use this formula. This formula is used only in our final part of this program. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find out the area of triangle. So for that, first of all, let me like method abs, or else let me keep it like this. Okay, let me like method abs of x1 star y2 minus y3. I'm going to use this formula here. Okay, plus x2 star y3 minus y1 plus x3 star y1 minus y2. Okay, for my convenient, I'm going to store all the values in x1, x2, and x3. Okay, now p of 0 will be stored in x1. Let me declare the variable long x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, and y3. Okay, I have declared the variable. Now x2 will be, sorry, y1 will be p of 1. And reason for using, see, in this long p, q, and r array, we have only size of length 2. Only there are only two elements are present. One is x coordinate and then y coordinate. So that's why I'm directly utilizing their index value. And then now we are going to use x2 equal to q of 0 and y2 equal to q of 1 and x3 equal to pq or r of 0 and y3 equal to r of 1. So that's it, we have declared it. Now we have going to find out the area of rectangle. So after this, you need to multiply it by 0.5, or else let it be like let me divide it by 2. Okay, so it will be easy for you to typecasting into a long. So reason here is you need to return everything in terms of long. Okay, when you do method abs, its default return type is double, so we need to typecast into long. So we have find the area of triangle. So after area of triangle, we need to find out the boundary lines. Okay, boundary points. Now I'm going to sorry, find the boundary points. So finding the boundary points, what I'm going to do here is, let me give this b equal to, I'm going to create a method called bp. Okay, okay, public static This also the type is long. BP of C. In this boundary line, in this boundary points, you are going to what are the two boundary points you are going to use? AC, CB, and BA. And these are the different coordinate points which are present in the triangle. You need to use these coordinate points in the boundary points. Okay. For a understanding purpose, I'm going to write AB plus BC plus CA, and these are the coordinate points, and these are the boundary lines points. Okay. You need to utilize these points when you are calculating the total boundary points. Okay, so that's why they are using v1 dot y minus v2 dot y. What does it mean? You are going to find out 2 points, a and c. In a and c, you are going to use these x and y coordinate points. So after using this, you are going to calculate and add it and store it in your b variable. Okay, for that case, I'm going to pass x1 comma y1. This is my first coordinate point, and x2 comma y2. This is my second coordinate point. Next, we are going to use it for BC. For this BC, I'm going to use x2 comma y2. This is my first coordinate point, and x3 comma y3, my second coordinate point. Next, I'm going to use x be x1, x2, x2, x3, x3 and x1. x3 comma y3 is the first coordinate point, and x1 comma y1 is my second coordinate point. After this, I'm going to add 3. What's the reason? We are using 3 coordinate points, A, B, and C. You need to calculate those points also. For that reason, I'm going to add plus 3 here. Okay. Now, I need to pass this into this function. It's of data type what? Long x1 comma long y1 comma long x2 comma long y2. Okay, I have passed it. Now I'm going to check for these conditions. If my x1 is equal to x2, if my x1 and x2 are parallel, in that case I'm going to return math.abs. See, I have used abs here. Abs of y1 minus y2 minus 1. Okay, and my typecast be of data type long, so I'm going to typecast it here. Data typecasting, just we copy it and do the same for when y-axis are parallel. So for this case, when y1 and y2 are parallel, in that case I'm going to do math.abs of x2 x1 minus x2 minus 1. If any of the one coordinate is at the origin point, if any of the coordinates at 0 comma 0, in that case what I need to do is I need to find out the greatest common divisor. So for that case, I'm going to create another function, public static. Its data type should be long, and gcd. Inside gcd, I'm going to pass two values. One is of, so everything should be of long. Okay, don't write it as int. Long x comma long y. Okay, so first of all, let me do here return gcd of abs math.abs of v1.x. Let it be x1 minus x2 comma math.abs of y1 minus y2. Then we need to subtract it by last we need to separate it by 1. Okay, so this data type should be of typecast into long, and this also typecast into long. Okay, I have been typecast. Okay, close the bracket. If y is equal to 0, in that case I will return it as x. Else I'm going to do recursive function return y comma x modular division with y. So that's it. After this, I will get the value of my boundary points. Now my area, I got my area and then I got my boundary points. Now I need to calculate the integral points. Let me copy this one and paste it here. A minus B by 2 plus 1. Is the formula is right? A minus B by 2 plus 1. Yes, correct. Now, let me return our value I. So, I is of data type what? Okay, long. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, let me run and see how many errors we are getting. Okay, hey, nice. Executed correctly. Okay, let me submit our problem. Yes, test case are passing well. Yes, we got the right answer. Okay. Our program got executed successfully. And this is the way how you are going to find out for the triangle. Even though you can able to use the same formula for different shapes like rectangle or square or rhombus or anything. You can able to use the same fixed theorem and you can able to find out the integral lattice points. Okay. Okay, let me see you in the next video. Bye.